Hi, kindergartners. All right, it is Friday. Time for Friday's asynchronous reading time. Today is a very simple lesson. Actually, there isn't even a Lumio B button. For this one, you are just going to go to Wonders. So you're going to the portal page, click on the red square, the McGraw-Hill button. Then click on the Wonders Grade K option. And finally, this little button here next to that big crab. And you're looking for the interactive read aloud. Now, the interactive read aloud is 4 scenes. I will show you what it looks like. So this is what the interactive read aloud looks like. Gone. Okay, there it is. You're going to listen to all 4 scenes. You know me, I like when you listen to them twice, because then you really remember what you heard. So please read all 4 scenes in order, and then go back and read all 4 scenes, or listen to all 4 scenes again. All right, after you're done with that, that's all you have to do. As you're listening, try and imagine what you're reading. But then after that, you are finished. Have a great rest of your day.